Welcome. In this tutorial, we will create your very first collaboration in Collably. But before we begin, there is one important setting we need to check. Make sure your business currency is correctly set. Once you create your first collaboration, your business currency cannot be changed. Let us quickly verify that. To verify, click on Settings in the left navigation menu, then under Business Profile section, click on Edit. Scroll down to the Business Currency section and make sure the correct currency is selected. Since I am based in India, I have selected Indian Rupee or INR. If you need to change your currency, now is the right time. Once you are done, scroll to the bottom and click Save Business Profile. Great! Now, we are ready to create our first collaboration. There are two ways to get started. You can click Create Collaboration directly from the dashboard or open Collaborations from the navigation menu on the left. When you click on Collaboration from left navigation, you will be taken to your collaborations list. Since this is your first collaboration, the list will most likely be empty. On this page, click New Collaboration. Start by entering a campaign name. Keep it short and meaningful. Think of it as the title of your campaign. You will add all the detailed information in the sections that follow. Then, select the collaboration type. For this example, I will choose Sponsored Post. Now select the status. By default, it is set to Negotiating, which is where most brand collaborations begin. As the collaboration progresses, you can update the status at any time. Next, we will update the creator and brand information. If you are an agency managing multiple creators, simply select the lead creator for this collaboration. If you are an individual creator, you will select your own name. Then we will set up the brand information. Since this is your first collaboration, you probably have not created any brands yet. That is perfectly fine. Simply type the brand name. I will enter Snitch and type in the category as fashion. When you save the collaboration, Collably automatically creates the brand and links it to this collaboration. You can update the brand's contact information later from the brand section. You will need that before you send invoices to your clients. Now, scroll down to the platform section and select the social media platforms included in this collaboration. For this example, I will choose Instagram and X. Next, let us set the campaign dates. These dates represent the duration of the campaign. They are useful if you want to measure campaign performance during that period, but they do not control your deliverable deadlines. Now, we have reached one of the most important sections, Deal Value. Here, you will enter the total value of the collaboration and select the currency in which you expect to receive payment. For example, my business currency is set to INR. However, if this brand is paying me in US dollars, I will select US dollars as the collaboration currency. If I enter a deal value of $500 US, Collably automatically converts that amount into my business currency using the latest market exchange rate. That converted amount becomes the business amount. Since Collably calculates this automatically after you save the collaboration, you can leave this field blank. If you want to account for currency conversion charges or any other adjustments, you can simply enter your own business amount manually. Next, indicate whether you have a signed contract for this collaboration. Simply choose the appropriate option. If you have any additional information you would like to remember, you can add it in the notes section. I do not have any notes for this collaboration, so I will leave it blank. We have now completed all the important information needed to manage this collaboration. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Create Collaboration. Congratulations! You have successfully created your first collaboration in Collably. In the next tutorial, we will learn how to create and manage deliverables for this collaboration. Thank you for watching.